Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video and welcome to another book shopping vlog. I'm kind of in a roll here. So if you haven't watched the last book shopping vlog, I literally posted one last week, so go ahead and watch that. But today's book shopping vlog is a little bit different because I'm gonna go to a bookstore and I'm also gonna go to a book fair, which I've never gone to a book fair before, so that is really exciting. I'm actually filming this when I already went to the book fair and I had a great time. I went with my mom and it was really nice. But I also went to a bookstore that I didn't go to in my last video, so I did not go to this bookstore in my last book shopping vlog. So it's basically just a compilation of me shopping for books. So I hope you enjoy. We're gonna do the vlog first and then I'm gonna show you the books that I got, so I'm really excited. But make sure to subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. And yeah, let's go shopping. I hope you like it. Let's go.
Winter is freezing and trees start to bolt, and I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the last of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. Swapping our cups, and after a while we're swapping a glance. And I can't think nothing better than started a year with a drop of romance. 'Cause I came to this place looking for a familiar face, and that's when I met you.
Okay guys, I'm back. Not really for me, but for you, I'm back. So a little backstory if you're new here. I live in Panama. I don't live in the US currently, and I don't have like the big Barnes and Noble and like Books and Books bookstores, these like big bookstores. So the ones that I do have are smaller bookstores. So basically in the last book shopping vlog, I went to 3 different bookstores, and in this video, the first few clips that you just saw were me going to the first bookstore, which was a bookstore. It's all in Spanish because in Panama we speak Spanish, so it's all in Spanish. But I'm gonna translate it if you don't know Spanish, don't worry. But the first one is called El Lector, which basically translates to the reader. And this one was in a mall. And I had heard so many amazing things about this bookstore because they have like the trendiest books, like really book talk, like really popular book talk books. And I was so intrigued, I really wanted to go, but it was really far away from me. So I ended up going in this video, and it was really nice. I hope in the future they can open up like a bigger bookstore because they have such amazing books, and most of the books they have are in Spanish because again we speak Spanish here, so most of the books are in Spanish. I don't really read in Spanish, but as I said in my last video, I want to start reading in Spanish, so I'm kind of getting into that, you're gonna see. And I went to this bookstore. I got 2 books, one actually in English, so they have like a little section of books in English, and I got one in Spanish, which I'm going to show you in just a sec. But I really recommend it, you guys. The only thing about literally every bookstore here, which is inevitable, is the costs of books. They're really pricey, they're really expensive because of shipping, because a lot of the like popular book talk books are translated into like different languages, which makes them so much more pricey. It's just what it is. So I didn't buy like a lot of books because they were just really really pricey for me, like $25 or more, so it's expensive. But I'm gonna show you the ones that I got. So the first one, I'm gonna show you really quickly the book in English that I got, which I thought it was so cute. Like I saw this book and I had never like seen the movie. I think it's a movie, and I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. I got Crazy Rich Asians, this one right here by Kevin Kwan. So this one is like a smaller paperback. These are like these small books that you see like in airports, which honestly was great because if I want to take it like if I'm traveling and I want to take it with me, that is going to be perfect. And it was not that expensive considering the other prices, so I was like, okay, I love it. So I got this one, which I'm really excited to read. And the second book that I got, which we're gonna do the little unboxing, satisfying unboxing, because it's not an unboxing. What do you call this? Let's take the paper off. And this one is in Spanish because of a reason. You already saw it. So if you're not new here, don't scream at me. But I got this book in Spanish. I already have this book in English. And this is basically Crescent City by Sarah J. Maas, but in Spanish it's called Ciudad Media Luna, Casa de Tierra y Sangre. And basically I got it in Spanish because I tried 2 times to read it in English and it was just not working out. I'm like good at reading in English, but sometimes with like fantasy books that have like a lot of world building, I get very extremely lost. So let's see if I like it. So yeah, that is the other one that I got. I'm really excited. This one was on the pricier side. This one was like 25, maybe $26. So now I'm gonna show you guys the books that I got from the book fair. And funny enough, let me explain how the book fair worked. So basically the book fair had all the smaller bookstores just in one place. Literally all the bookstores that I went to last week separately, they were all in the book fair. And obviously there were more bookstores, but a lot of them are for like school. A lot of them sell like books for school, like actual like textbooks, which is really great for people who go to school here. But like for recreational readers, basically the same bookstores. So funny enough, I went to the book fair and I got books from the same bookstore that I just mentioned. So, El Lector. Because honestly, it's the, if you're looking for the cheapest bookstore, I would say is Grant Morrison, but it was so hectic. I couldn't even film very much because it was a really small space, and because people know they have affordable prices, it was packed. So I literally just could not even enter the premises. So I did not get anything from there. I did browse around a little bit, and I just decided to go to another bookstore, and I ended up in the El Lector. So this is the bag. So as I said, I wanted to start reading in Spanish, and one author that popped up like crazy was like on TikTok and on Amazon was Alice Kellen, and she has a lot of like romance books, but she is an author from Spain, and I don't know, she has a lot of good reviews. Her books are literally the cutest thing ever. So I bought the first book of 2 different series. This one right here. First, I love this cover so much. It's called Todo lo que nunca fuimos, y la serie se llama Deja que ocurra, y es el primer libro. So basically in English is Everything We Never Were. And the second book that I got from the same author, and it's the first book of another series, is called Otra vez tú, y es la serie que se llama Serie Tú. So this is the book. It's super adorable. It's really cute. I love the cover. It's like beachy, screams summer. I know summer is basically over. If you guys read in Spanish and you have like good book recommendations, please leave them down below. I love doing book shopping vlogs. I think they are one of my favorite videos to do. I am really hoping I can travel this year, and if I do, I'm obviously gonna go to maybe a Barnes & Noble, a Books & Books, and smaller bookstores. I love you guys so much. Subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!